We're expecting 9 degrees Celsius or 48 degrees Fahrenheit.
Ew.
Sunset tonight, 5:15
Yep.
p.m. and sunrise in the morning, 6:46 p.m.
Holding like this.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to take this moment, as it will be the last opportunity I've had to speak with you, and thank you from the bottom of my heart for choosing the adventure of the seas and Royal Caribbean for your cruising vacation. Please come back to us again soon. Have a pleasant and safe journey. Thank you very much.
Remember, don't stress. Like this. Move shorty. Put the remote like this. Hook him up, yeah.
Ooh,
See,
that's
you
very
hook him
cool.
up, mama. You hook him up.